have in front of me a bathroom extractor fan with a light kit and timer, and you have an option of chrome or white within the actual kit. It's just two different colours for the light thing. So it comes in this outer box, which you can see here. The reason I'm showing that is just how neat and compact it is when it arrives. It's a 4-inch venting system, and the brand name on it is Manrose. So that's actually premium brand within the extractor fan market. So it's just a great brand. Works with all the other models that are on the market in terms of switches, all the rest of it, and it works extremely well in terms of it's a reliable product. Okay, so that's it. So inside of here you have sort of like a presentation thing that shows you exactly what you're getting. But basically the idea of this is that you have a vent that's going outside. You have an inline fan which is here, and it comes down, and you want to suck in the air and have a light also built in. So it's integrating both a light and a fan into one single unit, and it's just selling a complete kit that's doing that for you. So that's that little package unit there. I'm just going to move that out of the way. So let's just have come along and have a quick look exactly. So here's the user manual showing the setup on it. So what we'd have first of all at the thing is we would have this unit here, which is the actual light and the extractor fan together. So what we'll be doing here is we'll be actually running this using this expandable duct, 4-inch duct. It'll slide over that, and at a certain point we'll just join it into our inline fan here. So we'll connect it in. We use a tie wraps both ends to lock it into position. And what we'll do then is we use the rest of the extractor duct here to feed to the vent on the outside. And that's what's normally just feeding directly out into the outside here. So when we came along and we said that it's a chrome or a white finish on it. It's just a cap that's here. You can either put that on or you can unclip it and put this cap on instead, okay? So it's pretty neat in terms of that design. In terms of for the mounting, etc., there's plugs and screws here for doing it. And we have a transformer here that will actually use in conjunction with the light there as well itself, okay? So obviously everything there will be low voltage in relation to that. So I think this is a really neat kit. If we come along, we'll say the adjustment here and the timer, all the rest of it. When I just got this unit here, you'll see the fan general design there, and there's two screws holding into position. And if we come along here and pull this apart, we'll just turn this over here. There's a timer wheel here, and we just use that for setting the time on it. And the idea there is after hitting the light switch, how long afterwards do you want it to stay on for, okay? So that's just basically it. So nice product range, all the rest of it. When we started rolling out our range of fans, we said, well, we're going to end up with maybe 3-4 fans. I'd say at this stage we're probably over 25 or 30 different types. But, you know, all of them do have their distinct purposes. And it's nice being able to buy kits like this where it's saying, I want to put in an extractor fan with a light in the bathroom, and every single thing you need is in a single kit. So that's it anyway. An overview of the bathroom extractor fan and light kit with timer, with a choice of chrome or white within the kit, available from freetv.ie.